Hi, this is RockinRobin, and today I am in Stuart, the Port Salerno area of Stuart, and I am doing a drive-through and a walkthrough of Sandsprit Park. Stay with us. So we are entering charming Sandsprit Park in Port Salerno, Florida. And this is the entrance. Now what I'm going to do is we are going to drive through much of the park because there's some areas that are better to drive through. And then we are going to park the car and we're going to do a walkthrough of the places that are much better when you are walking than driving. So we took a left when we first came in because we want to show you there's some areas that you can park and get one of those little pavilions and either have a party or do whatever you want to do. There's several in the front as well, but I wanted to show you these. Then we are going to go back and we are going to take a right because I want to show you where the boat launches are. There are 2 boat launches and there's a lot of people with boats here. There is launch number 1. And you can see how beautiful it is. This park is just gorgeous. And on the right side over here is where people park their cars with their trailer hitches. And after they brought their boats in. And there's a lot of space for that. But you can see how beautiful it is, this park. And on the right side over here, here's some more hitches. And we're going to show you the second boat launch next. And that one is on the left side of the park, and there we go. That is launch number 2. Now after that we are going to drive back up the driveway and we're going to go to the other side of Sandsprit Park. You will soon see the Martin County Sheriff's Office new Marine unit right there in that building. We will walk past it and take a better look. So now we are going to just look quick at this area and then we're going to park the car and do a beautiful walkthrough. All right, we are beginning our walkthrough, and there are several little sandy beaches that are great for maybe putting your canoe out if you have something like that, something small. And we are going to walk on the path, and I'm with my dog Billy, which you may see from time to time. Now, in front of us is the Coast Guard office. They often have safety classes. And on Sandsprit, you will see several of these little docks that you can walk down. Look at that airplane. And you can fish off of them or just walk and get a different view. They're always nice. But this building up ahead is the Coast Guard Academy. And throughout the year, they have boat safety courses. And the general public can sign up for them and take them. I believe they're on evenings, but there might be some on Saturdays as well. We are going to continue on the cement path, but eventually we will hit the boardwalk. Is really a pretty park. It's definitely very Floridian. Sometimes they have parakeets in the summer, and sometimes you can see dolphins off of here. There's a lot of fishing. Sometimes you get some big fish I've seen out of here. Turtles. The kids love it. The adults love it. There is plenty of benches. There are pavilions that you can rent and have parties. It's a park that really has a lot. You can see these guys are fishing over here. This is a very popular spot as well. And you can see all the boats. They either go to the right or the left, or, it's just a lot of boat seeing. A lot of people will just sit here and watch the boats and look for the dolphins. You never know what you're going to find. Some people say they have even found manatees in the water. So that is that area, and we are going to look around, and then we are going to go towards the right and walk down there. If you have a dog, Sandsprit is a great place to walk your dog, but please pick up after them. There are a lot of pelicans in Sandsprit, and they're not afraid of you, and if you catch a fish, they're not afraid to take it away from you, even if they have to swallow your whole arm. They are very, very brave, so keep an eye on those pelicans. On the left, you're going to see the Martin County Marine Unit boats. These police officers have pulled in. There's the boats. Many people who are doing illegal things. So be careful if you're on the water around here. They will catch you. in this area, there is both a children's playground and an area for you to do some exercise. So I'm going to show you some of the exercise equipment and a little bit of the playground as well. There are flushable bathrooms right here, so that's always important. So now we're going to head towards that new building, the Martin County's Sheriff Marine Unit building, and check it out. Not sure how long it took to put up this building. It seemed like it took forever. They've been working on it for a while, and I'm not completely sure if it's open. There used to be a little trailer here where they used to work out of, but it looks like it's nearing completion, and maybe it is open and you have to be a officer in order to get in. I'm not sure. Well, this is RockinRobin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. We have a lot of videos on Stuart, so watch them all.